I've been dreaming about this moment ever since I saw... What? Oh my life. Ever since I saw Initial D back in 2009 and the Takahashi brothers were on the Touge, on the Akina Touge, challenging Takumi. Here we are driving modified RX-7s. Woo-hoo-hoo! Driving modified RX-7s on the Touge. This is a dangerous corner up ahead, judging by all the signs. Make a right turn, make a left turn.
Make the right left turn.
The right left. It's almost as if we're the Takahashi brothers. I can't believe we're doing this. Hitting the Touge in the RX-7s.
You should probably know that they won't see much.
It's okay. It's the Touge. Watashi wa Brotor heads this. Initial D. although it's kind of funny, this is the highlight of this trip. It's the best moment of the trip, I swear to God.